Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I want to show you how to log in to your map test. Let's get started. Your teacher will let you know when you're taking the test. You log in on the correct date and on time. Your teacher will then give you a link. They might put it on the chat box. You'll have to copy it, open up a brand new window, paste the link, and the testing site will open up. Once the page opens up, you will put in the session name and password that the teacher will also provide for you. If you typed in your login information correctly, a blue button will pop up. Go ahead and click on that. On this page, you will look for your name, then wait for directions. Your teacher will tell you which test to select. Once you selected the test, the blue button will appear. You'll click on that, and on this next page, you will check to see that your name, the session name, and the test name are the correct ones. If it is, go ahead and click the blue button. Next, you will wait for the teacher to start your test. When they work their magic, you will see this blue button turn on, and you'll be ready to begin. I just want to give you some reminders for the test. Remember to use a Chromebook or computer. Wear your headphones. Keep your camera on the whole time. Keep yourself on mute. Use your math journal to work out the problems. Take your time. Work in an area with no distractions. For questions, raise your hands by using the appropriate icon, and do your best. That's it. That's all you have to do to get started. I wish you well. Try your best.